Today I am drawing an octopus. Dark pink color, red color, pink color, green color, yellow color and light blue color. Let's color with me a colorful octopus. Now I am coloring its leg with red color. I am coloring its second leg with light pink color. I am coloring its third leg with yellow color. I am coloring its fourth leg with sea green color. Let's color its sixth leg with dark blue color. Let's color a sixth leg with a purple color. Do you like a colorful an octopus? Tell me. I am coloring its seventh leg with dark red color. Now I am coloring its last leg with light blue color. Let's color its face with gray color. Do you like my cute octopus?